In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your social media on your Wix website. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, your audience will easily be able to reach all your social media platforms directly from your website. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. To do that, simply log into your Wix account and open the website project you wish to edit. This will bring up the editor interface where you can change and enhance your website's design and functionality. Once you're in the editor, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various tools. Click on the option labeled Add Elements. This feature is your go-to for adding new components to your site. It opens a variety of options like text, images, and most importantly for us, social media features. Next, in this Elements menu, you should see an option labeled Social. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with a list of social media elements that you can integrate into your website. Now find and click on Social Bar. The Social Bar is a pre-designed set of social media icons that you can add to your page. Choose a social bar design that fits your website's aesthetic and your brand style. There are various designs to match different themes and preferences. After selecting one, click on it to add it to your page. Then adjust its position on the website, typically placing it in an area where visitors would expect to find links to your social media profiles, like the header, footer, or sidebar. With the social bar now on your page, click on it to bring up its settings. Here you'll want to find the button labeled Set Social Links, and click on that. This step allows you to customize each icon so that it links to the corresponding social media profile you want to share. When you're in the social link settings, click on an individual social logo like Facebook or Instagram. A small menu will appear, prompting you to enter a URL link for that icon. Type in the direct link to your specific social media page. Remember, accuracy is important here. Make sure you copy the full URL from your social media page and paste it here to ensure visitors reach the correct destination. After entering the link, click Done to save the specific social media link. Repeat this process for each social media icon you want to include in your social bar. Click on the next icon, enter the respective link, and once again hit Done until you've set all the social media links you wish to add. Finally, after all the links are correctly set up, remember to click the overarching Done button to save all these changes to your website. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now equipped with direct links to your social media profiles, making it easier for your visitors to connect with you across different platforms.